So difficult.
Discussion.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll answer the question, please.
It's beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Wong. I can answer. Helping people is the way to be happy, isn't it?
Yeah. Where do you live?
Ocean Park.
Oh, I live in there too. Shall we go together?
No. Yes.
As long goes, then of course, in a certain change of plans, they tend to the second target. The SS model is ocean inner circuit and lies hundreds of miles off various coasts. This is the end of the lesson. Is that enough?
Oh, Mr. Wong, why doesn't John come to class?
I don't know, and I'm busy now, sorry.
Oh.
Macau very much because Macau bender visual control is the Chinese control as a rule of Singapore. It bans Chinese cha-cha-cha-cha and Western abbreviation. It used to be a chess there, but it's got be fire and become rule of Singapore.
It's got fired for 3 times too. It has the larger temple and walls of Macau near of it the business to developing of Macau using very interesting in culture.
Of course.
Thank you, young man.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Take it. You can give me some good luck. I'm not here. Why are you here? I thought you may studying in
I've already finished the lesson. I'm finding someone.
I guess he may go somewhere he is good.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm ready.
Malaysia used to protect Macau and now it provides people to visit. Therefore, there is Macau Museum for people to know more history about Macau.
The Macau government holds Parents for Macau electricity every year. This event can promote intercultural communication.
Macau Cultural Center advertises promotes the development of Chinese music. I have to listen to the Chinese music in Macau Cultural Center every year, but I am almost late every time.
I was interested in this. I will study about the diet culture of Macau. I will show my knowledge to you one day.
What you show me?
Portuguese icons are the most important snacks in Macau.
Okay. This is delicious and yummy. I like it.
And try Portuguese icon.
Okay. Wow, you take good.
Yeah, am I right?
They really are the popular Macau snacks. Yeah.
Have you seen this man? No. Thank you.
Hello, Nokia. Are you on there?
Hello, I'm finding you, sir. Have you seen this man?
Since I have seen at the church.
Oh, thank you, sir. I will teach you to dinner this time.
Oh, goodbye.
Plenty of church, but I love it very much because it's special and for like a traditional style. It makes Chinese and Western culture. Also, you can see the whole Macau.
I know the billboards was made by Portuguese and Western artists. Cultural style and